Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're tackling how to verify a card for Apple Pay in 2025. With Apple's ongoing updates for better security, verifying your card is easier than ever, but it's crucial to get it right. Whether you're setting up a new card or troubleshooting an old one, this guide will have you covered in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Apple releases updates regularly, especially in 2025, to enhance features like Apple Pay. Head to Settings, General, Software Update and install any pending updates before proceeding. Once that's done, open the Wallet app. It's the one with the wallet icon on your home screen. If you don't see it, swipe down and search for it. Inside the app, tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new card. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. You can either type them in manually or use your camera to scan the card. After submitting, Apple will initiate the verification process. Depending on your bank, you might receive a one-time code via text message, email, or even through your bank's app. In 2025, some advanced options include biometric verification using Face ID or Touch ID for faster setup. When you get the code, go back to the Wallet app and enter it in the verification field. If it's biometric, simply follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. This step ensures your card is secure and ready for use. After successful verification, your card will appear in your wallet. To test it, try adding it to Safari for online payments or use it at a store with Apple Pay. If you encounter any issues, like an error message, check your bank's app for approvals or ensure you have a stable internet connection. And there you have it. Your card is now verified and good to go. Apple Pay makes transactions seamless and secure, so enjoy the convenience. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.